Good morning everyone, it's a nice early morning out here at the bush block. That's the window we put in the other week, and hopefully by the end of today there'll be a window in this corner here. So I'm just starting to set up, getting all the tools ready, setting up the grinder. I've marked out that wall. I did that the other week when I was out here, when I marked out the other window. So that section there I've got to cut out to place this second window in. Well, I've got all that framework welded in now. A bit hard to see from the inside. We'll go outside and have a look. I also had to remove a plastic vent. You see them holes there? There was a plastic cover on the outside. This is it here. So I had to remove that, so now I'll have to cover those holes. So you can see the framework done there on the outside. It's all welded. I've just wire brushed it to silicone all the welds. And here you can see that vent where I took off that plastic cover. So I'll probably use some of that flat plate steel and put over that section there to cover those holes in the wall. I've got all that finished now. I've stuck that plate up there. Just siliconed it up so it won't leak. That should be fine. Well, there you go. We now have two windows and at the bush block. Thanks again for joining us on the Bush Block Homestead. We'll catch you next time. See ya.